Welcome to the Kedal Labs How-To series. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to build tables and views in Delta Live Tables, DLT. We will cover creating schemas, cloning tables, setting up streaming tables, materialized views, and views for intermediate transformations. To begin, we first create a schema in Databricks to organize and manage our data efficiently. After creating the schema, we verify its existence to ensure it is set up correctly. Once the schema is in place, we proceed to clone sample tables from the Databricks catalog, ensuring we have an initial dataset for further processing. This step may take some time to execute, but is essential for setting up our data environment. For real-time processing, we create DLT streaming tables for incremental data ingestion. Using bdlt.table, we define a streaming table that continuously reads from orders _raw with spark.readstream.table, ensuring automatic order ingestion for real-time analytics. Next, we implement DLT materialized views for data transformation and aggregation. Using bdlt.table, we create a materialized view that persists transformed data. The spark.read.table function reads from customer_raw and stores it as customer_bronze, providing a structured dataset for further transformations. Next, we created DLT views to join orders _bronze and customer_bronze dynamically without persisting data. A left outer join retains all orders, even without customer data. Next, we create a DLT materialized view with a timestamp column for better data tracking. It reads from joined_VW and generates joined_silver, adding an insert_date column to record entry times. Finally, we perform data aggregation, grouping orders by C_MKT segment and calculating order counts while logging aggregation timestamps. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.